One of the most important things to look at is the conversion percentage, and obviously the higher the conversion percentage, the better. The conversion percentage for PPC typically is lower than the conversion percentage organically, and in this example we have a 7.97 conversion percentage, and that can be found on the home screen on the dashboard on the right hand side. Now, a good rule of thumb for conversion percentage is anything between 10 and 20%. Obviously, the higher the better, and the more exact the match type and keyword to what you're selling, the higher the conversion percentage typically is going to be. If you are selling something and you're using an exact match type and the keyword is very precise to what you're selling and you have a low conversion percentage, then I would highly suggest looking at your listing and taking a good look to see what could be wrong and why, and figure out why you're not converting. And go into your listing and optimize your listing. And definitely ask an outside source to look at your images, look at your title, look at your bullet points, and get a couple of opinions as to why your listing may not be converting as good as it should be. All right, so you can find the conversion percentage throughout the site. You can go into campaign optimization. And inside of campaign optimization, you're going to see the conversion percentage right over here. And as you can see, this particular campaign has the highest conversion percentage. And that's doing really, really well. And you can also, here's the conversion percentage down over here. You can also click on listing optimization, which is going to show all of your SKUs and the conversion percentage for each particular SKU inside of your PPC campaigns. It's going to be right over here. Now, this is the conversion percentage for this particular SKU inside of PPC, not organic, inside of PPC.